Animals that give birth without mating. Animals can reproduce without mating through parthenogenesis, where a female creates an embryo from an unfertilized egg, resulting in either male or female offspring. 1. Komodo. In 2006, scientists discovered Komodo dragons can reproduce without males, with a female at Chester Zoo in the UK laying 25 eggs without male contact. 2. Sharks. Bonnethead sharks, zebra sharks, blacktip reef sharks, and smooth hound sharks have all demonstrated virgin births through parthenogenesis. 3. California condors. California condors can reproduce without males, as genetic testing found two male chicks in San Diego Zoo carried only their mother's DNA. 4. Stick insects. Stick insects, like Timema, reproduce through parthenogenesis, but occasionally engage in sexual reproduction to enhance genetic diversity. 5. Tardigrades. Tardigrades, tiny water-dwelling creatures, can reproduce sexually and asexually, with parthenogenesis being more prevalent in their lake and terrestrial habitats. 6. Crocodiles. Crocodiles exhibit parthenogenesis, a rare asexual reproduction process, which has been observed in other reptiles, suggesting it may have existed in their ancient ancestors. 7. Mollyfish. Amazon mollies use sperm from related males to initiate egg formation, without contributing genetic material, a unique form of parthenogenesis. Thank you.